On number 9, we have log of x plus log of x minus 3 is equal to 1. So my first step is going to be to combine these with the product rule. So that's going to be log of x squared minus 3x is equal to 1. And I do want to transform this. Now, there's an implied 10 here. So if I transform, then my new problem is going to be 10 raised to the 1 is equal to x squared minus 3x. So I actually want to get everything to one side and 0 on the other. So I want to subtract that 10, because 10 to the 1 is just 10. So 0 is equal to x squared minus 3x minus 10, and then that can be factored. So that's going to be x minus 5 times x plus 2, which means x is going to be equal to 5, x is going to be equal to negative 2. And now I need to check these back in the original. So if we look at the 5 inside of log of x, that's fine. Inside of log of x minus 3, 5 minus 3 is 2, that's still positive, so that's okay. So that means that I can officially declare 5 as one of my solutions. Now negative 2, if I plug that into the first one, that is log of a negative number, we can't have that. So automatically we would throw it out then. But it also doesn't work in this one because negative 2 minus 3 is negative 5. So for both of those reasons, we're going to, well actually for one of those reasons, either one of those reasons, then we're going to throw that out. So 5 is going to be our only answer.